Every scar, story told. Every crack still lined with gold. Broken hands still learn to hold. Love survives, it won't grow cold. Rust and roses, both in me. One fades away, one learns to breathe. Bleeding still, yeah, soft it knows. Life is made of rust and roses. Pages of letters smudged in the rain. Words still remember, echo the pain. Callous palms reaching, searching for light. Still I am standing, ready to fight. Every loss has taught me well. Hope still blooms where shadows fell. Even iron bends with time.